What happens when you combine the world's most medicinal honey with black garlic that's been aged to superfood status? You get a therapeutic powerhouse. Let's dive in. You've seen the garlic and honey combos. You know the drill: raw garlic, raw honey, wait a week. But today in the lab, we're not just mixing tasty ingredients, we're targeting therapeutic compounds. We are moving past the Allicin buzz of raw garlic and leveling up to a more stable research-backed molecule, S-Allylcysteine or SAC. Regular garlic is pungent because of the allicin. It's powerful but unstable. It breaks down almost instantly. And black garlic is different. Through a weeks-long aging process of controlled heat and humidity, that allicin transforms into SAC. Let's look at the chemistry. From a smart wellness perspective, SAC matters because of its stability. It's more stable and predictable than allicin. More metabolic support. It's a key compound studied for supporting blood vessel health, metabolic balance, and inflammatory signaling. It's digestible. It's significantly more gentle on your stomach than raw garlic. Now for the therapeutic stack, combining black garlic with Manuka honey 510 plus. Bees in Australia and New Zealand collect dihydroxyacetone from the nectar of the Manuka flower, and through a natural process driven by the heat of the hive and time, that DHA chemically converts to Methylglyoxal or MGO. And this is the compound responsible for Manuka's unique antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This is exactly what happened to our garlic. The garlic used heat and time to convert allicin into SAC, and the honey used the hive's environment to convert DHA into MGO. In this ferment, we're stacking these mechanisms: SAC for metabolic and vascular support, and MGO for anti-inflammatory activity. We're not just combining ingredients, we're designing a slow-moving delivery system for two biological powerhouses. Gently pierce 8 to 10 peeled garlic cloves. This allows the Manuka to penetrate the dense structure of the garlic. Place the cloves in a clean glass jar. Pour your Manuka until they are fully submerged. Seal the jar securely. For the first 7 days, you need to burp the jar to release the CO2 and flip it daily. This prevents dry spots, ensures the enzymes are interacting, and keeps the garlic submerged. Leave about an inch or two of headspace at the top to prevent overflowing and make the daily flipping much easier. Watch for tiny bubbles and a thinning of the honey. This tells you the wild yeast and enzymes are biologically active. Precision matters. Store this in a dark cupboard at room temperature and never in the fridge, or you'll stall the enzymatic process. If you see fuzzy mold or smell anything off or rotten, toss it. Do not try to scrape it, fix it, or save it. And once you hit that 10-day mark, your ferment is ready, but it isn't finished. Keep it out of the direct sunlight. UV rays can degrade the antioxidants in the garlic and the delicate MGO in your Manuka. And as long as the garlic remains submerged, this ferment will last for a year or longer. The flavors will only get deeper and the medicinal profile more complex over time. This is a supportive tool inside a broader health system. And for general healthy adults, a common practice: 1 clove daily with the meal. You can eat the clove alone with a little infused Manuka right off a spoon, or stir it into warm tea. And while you could take a clove and a spoonful of the honey right off the spoon, I like to integrate this into functional meals. Drizzle the infused Manuka over a roasted sweet potato. The fiber and healthy fats in the potato act like a perfect delivery vehicle for the SAC and MGO. And for a true decadent moment that respects your biology, try a sliced clove over high-quality vanilla ice cream. The sweet balsamic flavor of the black garlic and the medicinal floral notes of the honey create a gourmet experience that doubles as a health ritual. Always check with your healthcare provider if you're on blood pressure medicine, blood sugar medications, or blood thinners. We're moving away from surface level wellness and towards functional, based nutrition. Because when you understand the molecules, you stop guessing and start building. You aren't just a consumer of health, you are the architect of your own vitality. To learn more about the different health benefits of raw and black garlic, check out Eating Garlic Wrong. Raw versus black garlic, they're not the same. And I'll see you in the next lab.